Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ama and today I'm showing you guys 4 pieces from Halara, and they were nice enough to gift me these items. I'm always very grateful when brands reach out and give me items to give you guys my full review and feedback. And this is a first dress, and so far you guys, I really love it. This is the style Playground in the color Peat Moss, I believe, or Moss Green. I will be linking everything down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. And I love the straps, thin straps. It does have some removable cups that I actually left. I usually remove them because they do have like this kind of like demarcation sometimes, but these are completely fine. It has an installed support like bra as well, which is nice because I'm not wearing a bra. Maybe if you have a bigger chest you may need it, depends on what size your chest is, but for me I think it looks perfect without a bra. And this is what the bag looks like. Very sexy in the back. And something else guys, it has shorts and it has pockets on each side, so that's amazing. They're not too short, they're full above the end of the dress, and the dress is about like 6 inches above my kneecap. And again, my torso is pretty long, so it may vary from person to person, but this is how it looks like in the front. The arms are also great, it's not too high up. And this is the back. It does cover my bum nice as well. The fabric is amazing. It stretches from, it has like a 360 fabric, which means that it stretches from every way. It is also air wicking, so your sweat will not be like on your clothes for very much if you're out and about, running errands, going to the grocery store. So this is what it looks like. I love this one. I will be showing you guys the next one. So far this one may be my favorite, but you guys be the judge. Let me know which one you like. And for now I'm going to try on the next one. So this is the second dress. This is the color light blue in a size small, and it does have thicker straps. This one I am wearing a bra underneath. It doesn't have like an installed bra, so you do need a bra with this one. It is very soft. It's very like just like kind of like almost like slippery. It's very form-fitting here. It could be a little tighter here. You may, for this particular dress, have to size down just because there is a little bit of fabric that's kind of loose here, but it's not like bunched up or anything, which is nice. So this is how it looks. It is a little shorter than the previous one. This is what the side looks like. The arms are perfect. This right here doesn't rise up, the armpit. And the back is also very nice. It is a very sexy back. And the back right here is perfect. It's not too low where it will expose your bra. I'm wearing a normal bra. And this is how the back looks like. It is a little shorter, but it does cover my bum. So this is how it looks. Very flowy from the bottom, which is perfect. It's not like restricting from the bottom. And for this one in particular, I would pair with some Nikes like this. I think it would look super cute. And something that I haven't mentioned about the fabric is this is very easy to wash. You throw it in the wash in cold, and I would probably air dry this just because the heat would kind of damage the fabric. And that's what I currently do with my clothes, that is nylon and spandex. So I recommend that with this type of fabric, with actually all of them, wash with cold water and just line dry them just so they last a little longer. But again, I'm in love with this baby blue color. Now I'm going to show you guys the next one. And this one is the third one. This one's a little more tighter, a little more sexier. I love the salmon color. This one does not have shorts, and it does have removable cup pads. I actually kept them, and it does have the support as well, which is great. I am not wearing a bra with this one, but if you do need the support, you can also wear the bra. Again, this is a very stretchy fabric. It's not like super tight. There is a lot of stretch to it, which is nice. It just feels like you kind of want to touch it. It's ribbed. And this is what the arm looks like. It's not too high. Sometimes I know when they're too high up, it irritates my armpit, which is something that I don't like. So this is what it looks like. I love it. And it is a little short, but it does cover up my bum. And this is what the back looks like. It does have this peekaboo right here, which is also very cute and sexy. And this one's perfect for like a lunch date, the movies, like you're strolling out and about, a date. This one is super cute. I love this one. This one I would actually pair with either like these Skechers, keep it kind of neutral, or even these Nikes, and maybe throw on a denim jacket, some hoops, and a ponytail, and you're good to go. So this is what this one looks like. I love this one. And now let me try on the skirt, and that is the last piece. And this is the last item. This skirt is so cute. I like it because it's really nice and high-waisted. There's plenty of stretch. It is the shortest from all of them, but it's nice that you have the shorts on the bottom as well. And they do have the pockets on each side. So this one has a little pocket too. And something that I didn't mention is these fabrics, all of them are very opaque, so you won't be able to see your panties through the fabric, which is nice. So this is what it looks like. Very, very flowy, but nice and tight here on the waistline. This is the side. And this is the back. It is short, so if you don't like short skirts, maybe this one's a little too short. But again, it does have the shorts. So this is what it looks like, and this one is in a size small, and it is true to size. So those are all the items. Thank you so much to Halara again. Once again, I loved all of them. I'm not sure which one is my favorite. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. They also were kind enough to give me a coupon, so I will be putting it right here just in case you're interested and want 20% off. I think it's Dama B, so if you want to check that out, make sure to use that at checkout. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check me out on Instagram. I will be posting pictures so you guys can see how I style them. So check me out on Instagram and check out my other videos here on YouTube. And I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah!